You may want to make some free-form drawings, add markings, or make highlights in a document. The commands under the Draw tab allow you to do this. Sometimes you may not see this tab on the ribbon. To make it visible, click File tab and then click Options. In the Word Options window, select Customize ribbon. Select Main tabs from the drop-down box as shown. Now, click on the Draw checkbox to select it. Click OK to close the window. Let's explore the Draw tab. The Pens group has multiple pens for marking up your document. You can also customize and add pens according to your preference. Click Add Pen and select Pen. The pen icon appears. Specify the thickness and color of the pen. You just added a new pen. Now select and mark the text using the pen. What if you do not like the pen? Select it and right-click. Then choose Delete. The pen will be deleted. While reading a course book, you highlight important text. You can do this even in a document. First, click Add Pen and then select Highlighter to add a highlighter. After this, you can specify its thickness and color. Now, click and drag the highlighter to highlight the text. Select the highlighter and click Delete from the drop-down list to delete it. Tools group. Click Eraser to remove the highlighting or marking from the text.